Welcome to this video on artificial intelligence. In this chapter, we will explore the core domains and applications of AI designed for Class 7 students. In this video, we will learn what intelligence is, define artificial intelligence, explore key AI domains, and discuss the importance of using technology responsibly. Artificial intelligence is a machine's ability to think, learn, and make decisions like a human. It recognizes patterns and adapts over time, powering tools like voice assistants and recommendation systems. While automation follows fixed rules to repeat tasks, AI learns from data to make its own decisions and improve, much like a human brain. Data is the fuel for AI. By identifying patterns and regularities in large datasets, AI can improve its accuracy, enabling smart technologies like facial recognition. When using technology, it is important to be ethical and safe. Be mindful of your digital footprint, the trail of data you leave behind, and always protect your personal information online. AI domains are like branches on a tree. We will look at three main areas: data science, computer vision, and natural language processing. Data science involves collecting and analyzing large datasets to find patterns and make predictions. It is used in fields like weather forecasting and healthcare. Computer vision enables machines to interpret images and videos, allowing them to recognize objects, faces, and movements in real time. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows machines to understand and generate human language, powering tools like chatbots and real-time translators. A dataset is a collection of related information. AI systems rely on these datasets to function, learn, and improve over time. Quality and size matter. Better datasets lead to better, more accurate AI models, while incomplete data can cause errors in predictions. Datasets are typically divided into three types: training, validation, and testing, each serving a specific purpose in the AI learning process. The training dataset is the largest part and acts as the foundation, where the AI system learns core patterns and improves its performance. Finally, the validation dataset helps ensure the model is learning correctly during training, preventing memorization, and fine-tuning the AI for better results. The testing dataset is used only after the AI model has finished training. It provides an unbiased evaluation, showing how well the AI performs on data it has never encountered before. Data comes in different formats. Structured data is highly organized, using rows and columns, making it easy for both humans and computers to search and process, such as student or employee records. Unstructured data, on the other hand, lacks a fixed format. This includes images, videos, audio, emails, and social media posts, which represent a vast amount of the world's information today. Semi-structured data bridges the gap between the two. It contains tags or markers to identify characteristics, but does not conform to a rigid table format like a traditional database. This comparison table shows the differences in format, organization, and processing ease between structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, helping us choose the right approach for AI analysis. In education, AI is transforming learning through smart classrooms, personalized lesson plans, online platforms, automated grading, and 24/7 virtual AI tutors. Healthcare utilizes AI for early disease diagnosis, precise medical image analysis, assisted robotic surgery, real-time patient monitoring, and faster drug discovery. Agriculture also benefits from AI, which assists farmers with crop monitoring, weather forecasting, smart irrigation, pest detection, and the use of agricultural drones. In the banking and business sectors, AI enhances fraud detection, secures online accounts, provides instant customer support via chatbots, and offers personalized product recommendations. AI helps improve transportation safety and efficiency through self-driving cars, optimized traffic management, precise route planning, and smart navigation systems. In our daily lives, AI is everywhere, from voice assistants and face unlock security on our phones to language translation and spam filters that keep our inboxes clean. AI offers significant advantages, including faster decision-making, reduced human effort, improved accuracy, and the ability to automate repetitive tasks, all of which boost overall productivity. However, AI also faces challenges, such as a heavy reliance on high-quality data, the lack of human emotion, risks of bias, privacy concerns, and high development costs. Responsible AI use means protecting your privacy, ensuring fairness, avoiding misuse, treating others with respect, and staying curious about how these powerful tools can help the world. In summary, AI is a transformative force across many fields. As you continue to learn, remember that you have the potential to use these tools to create a better future.